10 Easy Side Dishes. Hi there, are you looking for some easy side dishes you can make in minutes? In this video, I'm going to share 10 delicious side dishes that you can make in no time. From vegetable-packed dishes to indulgent sides, you'll find something here that will make your meal extra special. Let's get started. Number 1. Roasted vegetables. Start with a medley of vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and bell peppers. Toss them with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and roast in the oven until tender and lightly browned. Number 2. Sautéed spinach. Heat some olive oil in a skillet and add fresh baby spinach. Cook for a few minutes until the spinach is wilted. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Number 3. Baked sweet potatoes. Cut sweet potatoes into wedges and place them on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Number 4. Grilled zucchini. Slice zucchini into 1/4 inch thick rounds and brush with olive oil. Grill for about 5 minutes on each side, until lightly charred and tender. Sprinkle with some fresh herbs for flavor. Number 5. Roasted Brussels sprouts. Toss Brussels sprouts with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, until lightly browned and tender. Number 6. Baked beans. Combine canned beans with some diced tomatoes, onions, garlic, and spices. Bake in a casserole dish at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Number 7. Mashed potatoes. Boil potatoes until tender, then mash with a potato masher. Add butter, milk, salt, and pepper to taste. Number 8. Macaroni and cheese. Cook macaroni according to package instructions and drain. In a separate pot, melt butter and whisk in flour, milk, and seasonings. Add cheese and stir until melted. Combine with macaroni and bake in a casserole dish for about 30 minutes. Number 9. Quinoa salad. Cook quinoa according to package instructions and let cool. Toss with diced tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, feta cheese, and a simple vinaigrette. Number 10. Roasted cauliflower. Cut cauliflower into florets and toss with olive oil. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell.